cattle.
New cows? Are these new? We need new ones. Sorry. No. They didn't get new cows either place. Okay. Cows need to go out. They're putting new cows here. I think they did put new cows there too, Preston.
I did too, even though we skipped the team.
Yeah, well.
I think so.
She did say cattle.
So what did get the clicker?
How's your horse bred?
Okay, when we get cattle in Arena 1 is going to be Rebecca and Marianne. In Arena 2 is going to be Carmi and Colleen. Followed by Owen and Debbie. Dennis and Danny be thinking about it. Logan, do we have fresh cattle in Arena 2? Give me a hands up if you do. Okay. If you haven't changed the cattle down on Arena 2, we have to have cattle in there too. But if we're going to run them out, I want to wait till I want to go ahead and run them out, and then we'll start this team. And then we'll run them in after they get done sorting, if that makes sense. I don't want cattle going out while they're sorting.
Okay, we're going to wait to bring those cows in until we run this team. Okay, Logan? We're going to wait. Ready, Terry?
Okay, this is going to be Rebecca and Marianne. They bring in cows?
No.
Oh, they're settling down.
Back there, very bad. Good thing you're sorting this already. Here they come.
Okay, lights up.
Get back there.
Okay, lights up. 0, 0, 0. Free hit.